Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 14.4 question number 1. Draw a line segment AB. Mark any point M on it. Through M, draw a perpendicular to AB. Use ruler and compasses. First of all, let us take a ruler. We have taken a ruler here. Then we have to draw a line segment AB. Let us draw a line segment AB. Here we have taken a line segment, and if we name it, suppose the name of the line segment is AB. This is A and this is B point, right? Now mark any point M on it. We have taken a point M on this point. Suppose this point is M. This point is M. We have taken this point as M, right? Now draw a perpendicular to AB. Through M, draw a perpendicular to AB. Then if we take a compass, let us take the compass, right? We have taken the compass. Now what have to do? You have to take an arc, right? Let us take an arc here. Let us take an arc. Place this pointer at point M, here, and take an arc. Right? We take this one. Now we'll draw an arc here. We'll draw an arc here. Right? We have drawn an arc here. Now what have to do? We have to place this pointer at this point. At this point. And again, you have to take an arc on this bigger arc, right? Let us take another pointer. From here, right? Take this pointer on this arc. Take this pointer on this arc. And make an arc here, right? Again, take this pointer here and make another arc. Make another arc. This will be on this point and make another arc here. Right? Now from this point you will take another arc from this point, right? Take another arc here, right? And from this point from this point take another arc, right? Now you see this point you get, if you join this point and this point you will get an perpendicular line, right? Let us draw a line with the help of a scale. Let us draw this line with the help of a scale. Right? Now draw a straight line, right? Now if a name on this line, that is name of this line will be, suppose this is A, this is B, this is M, and you can, this is C point, this is D, this is E, this is F, this is F, right? And this point is, you can write any name, that is L. Then you can say that LM is perpendicular on AB, right? Therefore the line segment LM is perpendicular on AB. In this way you can draw through EM. Let us here see, draw a line segment. We have drawn line segment AB first. Mark any point M on it. We have taken a point M on this line. Through M, draw perpendicular to AB. That means from M as center, we drawn an arc, right? From C point, we cut E, and from E point, we cut F. From E point, we cut this arc, and from F point, we cut this arc. That means, and this becomes 90 degree, and this angle is become 90 degree. Therefore, you can say that LM is perpendicular to AB. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.